Good morning, my dear student. Today I am going to discuss a connected motion. Connected motion, there are two masses M1 and M2. It passes over a pulley through the light string, inextensible string. In this case, we have to draw the diagram that is called three-body diagram. Is it or not? Three-body diagram. Three-body diagram is a diagram showing the various forces acting on it. The necessary steps to draw the three-body diagram. First one, F, B, T is known as. All of you draw the diagram. Draw the diagram, neat and clean diagram. Second one is step. You have to mark the various forces. Mark the various forces. Various forces. Mark the various forces. Write the equation of motion. Third one is step. Main steps are write the equation of motion. Equation of motion is force is equal to mass into equation of motion. Fourth step. Solve it all the equation. Solve all the equation. Solve it and you will get the three-body diagram. Through the three-body diagram, I can solve this one equation. First of all, mark the various forces. ठीक है, draw the proper diagram, neat and clean diagram. Second one, mark the various forces act on the body system. Then after that, I will write the equation of motion, and then there are various equations of motion. 1, 2, 3, like that. This one, not only one equation of motion. Two equation of motion, three equation. That equation of motion, force is equal to mass into acceleration. This equation is equation of motion. All of you know that force is equal to mass into acceleration or not? Now we write. Now I remove this one diagram. Remove this one diagram. Mass M1. M2 is more than M1. M1 less than M2. It means that the body will be accelerate in the downward direction. This one accelerate in the upward direction. Is it or not? Here mark the various forces. One is the force due to tension, another one is the force due to weight, and then mark कर लिए. Then after that we write the equation. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Force is equal to how much? Which one is greater? इधर दो एरो जा रहा है. Then ऊपर में then T minus M1. Therefore M1A is equal to T minus M1. Equation number 1. And that is called equation of motion. This one is equation of motion. Equation of motion. Combining, we get left hand side are equal, right hand side also equal. Is it clear? Now I will draw the second one diagram. Then again we write the next equation of mass M2, both M2G T. Then again we write force is equal to M2 into A. Force is equal to M2G. Which one is more? M2G is more than more minus less. Left hand side are equal. Right hand side also equal. M2A is equal to M2. Question number. अगर आपको ये इक्वेशन बनाना आ गया, then you can be solve any type of question. my current. Once you understand that one, whether the system comprises 1 mass, 2 mass, 3 mass, 4 mass, 5 mass and so on, then we can solve by using that one. Is it or not? Now adopt this one diagram and solve this equation. We get the acceleration and tension. आपको टेंशन नहीं रहेगा. Add this one. Add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. M1 plus M2A is equal to, add करो, T minus M1G, T minus M1G plus M2G minus C, T को कालिया किया. Therefore, A is equal to, G is taken common, M2 minus M1 by M1 plus M. You have to solve in this way only. Any type of numerical. Add कर लेंगे, we get the acceleration. जितना बनेगा, जिसका acceleration निकालना होगा, सब निकल जाए. A is equal to G, M2 minus M1 by M1 plus. Then we can also divide equation 1 by 2 to get the tension. Or put the value of tension in this equation, we get tension T is equal to 2 M1 M2 into G by M2 plus. Solve by yourself. All of you solve by yourself, then you will get the answer. Divide these two equations, acceleration cancel out, cross multiply it, and then you will get the equation T is equal to 2 M1 M2 G by M1 plus. So then by using the free body diagram, it is very easy to solve it. The only 3 steps, main steps are: first one, draw the net level diagram. Second one, mark the various forces act on the string on the body. Third, write the equation of motion for different body. Just I have written for mass M1, for mass M1. If you have the diagram, various diagram, then you have to write the 3 equations of it. You have to find that fourth, and then after that we have to solve it. Now, suppose you have this type of diagram. Just give you. How can we solve it? हम जितना बात बताए उतना स्टेप हम फॉलो करेंगे. Small and capital. सुनाई दिया? हाँ, या इसको M1 और M2 का आराम रहेगा. जो भी आप पढ़े वही उनके हिसाब से सब. M1, find the acceleration and tension. Suppose I ask you, find the acceleration and tension. Then how can you find out? First of all, we have to draw the one diagram. किसके लिए डायग्राम बनाए? पहले इसका कालिया को उठा के जाओ. तो इसमें एक स्ट्रिंग लगा हुआ है, इधर टेंशन फोर्स का होगा. ये करना हो गया. ये इधर एक्सेलरेट भी कर रहा है. ये टर्न. Therefore, tension is equal to force. Tension is equal to acceleration. Force is equal to tension. Now force is equal to M1 into A. दोनों का लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल तो राइट हैंड साइड भी इक्वल होगा कि नहीं? M1 into क्वेश्चन नंबर. Now Draw the second one diagram. Second one diagram. हम दूसरा डायग्राम बना रहे हैं. Now you understand how can we make this one equation? Force is equal to tension. जिसको force से खींच रहा है, the force is equal to always tension. Tension is equal to force. Force is equal to weight. Force is equal to tension. Force is equal to weight. Therefore, F is equal to T. F is equal to m1 into A. That is the equation of motion. Force is equal to mass into A. अर्थ में करते रहना है. Now, first one diagram is over. Is it clear? Now, second, for the second one diagram, you have to draw the diagram. So, थोड़ा सा रफ करें. क्या हो गया है? Force due to weight. Force due to tension. क्योंकि यहाँ से स्ट्रिंग से लगा हुआ था. स्ट्रिंग में टेंशन फोर्स काम करता है. Is it or not? स्ट्रिंग में टेंशन फोर्स काम करता है. Is it clear? Is it or not? Yeah. Then what is to accelerate here? Then we write mark. देखिए force mark करनी. Mark the various forces and write the equation of motion. F is equal to m2 into A. F is equal to net force m2g minus, दोनों का लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल, राइट हैंड साइड इक्वल. Therefore, m2a is equal to m2g minus equation number. Is it clear? Then हम क्या काम करेंगे? अब हमको देखना है फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 and 2 हमको एक्सेलरेशन निकालना है. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? वी कैन ऐड दिस वन इक्वेशन. ऐड इक्वेशन 1 and 2 दिस वन इक्वेशन. ये करना ऐड दिस वन इक्वेशन 1 and 2. m1a प्लस m2a इक्वल ऐड करो m2g माइनस e प्लस e. ऐड कर लिए. टी का लिया हो गया. कितना बचलो? ये m1 प्लस m2 इज इक्वल टू m2. therefore a is equal to m2g by m1 प्लस. देखो भैया आया. हम कैसा भी न्यूमेरिकल बना देंगे. m2g by m1 प्लस. अब हमको क्या खोजना है? टेंशन. टेंशन तो ऐसे टेंशन करा देते हैं. Put this value of acceleration. Put this value of expression. T is equal to m into a. m1 into a. टेंशन निकालो. m1 m2 g by m1 प्लस तो आसान बात है. m1 प्लस m1 इंटू m2 इंटू g बाय m1 प्लस m2. From this one we can find the tension. Yet that is from the free body diagram. Also one is the lift problem. That is also very important. Lift problem. It may be asked, may not be asked. It is not compulsory. ये सारा आएगा ही एग्जाम में. ठीक है. लिफ्ट प्रॉब्लम ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है. डिपेंड अपॉन द सेक्टर. ठीक है. अगर हम इसके पहले एक थोड़ा सा इंक्लाइन प्लेन पे बात कर लेते हैं. थोड़ा इंक्लाइन प्लेन. ऑल ऑफ यू नो दैट इंक्लाइन प्लेन. आप लोग बहुत जगह ट्यूशन पढ़ के बना रहे हैं. इंक्लाइन प्लेन. अभी हम लोग बात भी करेंगे फ्रिक्शन में. इंक्लाइन प्लेन. थीटा लॉग. देयर आर वेरियस फोर्स. इसको बोलते हैं कंकरेंट फोर्सेस का एग्जांपल है. इक्विलिब्रियम ऑफ कंकरेंट फोर्सेस. कैसे हम फोर्स इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे? फोर्स ड्यू टू वेट. रिजॉल्व वेट इनटू two component. This is the normal reaction. This one is the mg cos theta, where theta is angle of inclination. Therefore, mg sin therefore force is equal to m into a. आप जानते हैं ना फोर्स, हमको क्या निकालना है? फोर्स निकालना है, एक्सेलरेशन निकालना है। पहला कितना बॉडी का ब्लॉक का मास है m, क्या लिखो m इंटू, अब बॉडी नीचे की ओर जा रहा है, एक्सेलरेट इधर हो रहा है, then force is equal to mg sin, you know, therefore m into a is equal to mg sin theta, mm का लिया, therefore a is equal to g sin, acceleration ब्लॉक का कितना होगा? g sin theta. So the acceleration depend upon the acceleration due to gravity as well as angle of inclination of the inclined plane. Second one is the lift problem. अब यहाँ से दूसरा स्ट्रिंग भी लगा सकते हैं ऐसे, और भी बहुत सारा बात फ्रिक्शन में थोड़ा बताए. And then we adopt this one equation. मानो या मत मानो, लिफ्ट प्रॉब्लम. Suppose lift, a weighing machine is kept inside the lift. An object of mass m is kept on the weighing machine. Mass remains constant, but weight vary from place to place and situation to. The force due to weight acting in the downward direction, reaction is equal to tension also. आपको टेंशन नहीं लेना, R is equal to T. पहला, when lift is stationary. When lift is stationary means lift is not moving. Then tension is equal to reaction is equal to m into. Then the weighing machine will be measure actual weight of the person. Second one is when the lift is moving upward or downward. Lift is moving upward or downward with uniform velocity. Or downward with uniform velocity. With uniform velocity. Uniform velocity में acceleration का value no acceleration. Therefore, T is equal to R, tension is equal to reaction is equal to m into. It will be also measure the actual weight because acceleration is equal to 0. Here, force is equal to m into 0 is equal to 0. T is equal to mg. R is equal to mg. That's why it measures the actual weight. Here, when the lift is moving upward or downward with the constant velocity or uniform velocity, in that case A is equal to 0, no A, then no change in the weight of a person. Now, third situation, when the lift is moving upward. Third situation. अब हम फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम की बात करेंगे. Third, when lift is moving upward. Acceleration A with acceleration A, body, force due to weight, reaction, tension, mg, moving upward, acceleration. बताइए भैया, force is equal to mass into acceleration. Net force is equal to or minus m. Left hand side are equal, so right hand side equal. M is equal to r minus m transport करिए. R is equal to mg plus ma. M is taken common, g plus a, and that is reaction or tension is equal to mg plus a. It will increase or decrease. There is a positive sign. So the actual weight of the person increases when the lift is moving in an upward direction. Is it? Now when the lift is moving downward current. Fourth case, when the lift is moving downward. When the lift is moving downward with acceleration A, कुछ नहीं करना है, with acceleration A in the downward direction. थोड़ा ये इक्वेशन में चेंज हो जाएगा. Therefore, force is equal to mass into acceleration. Is it? A net force mg minus r. mg minus left hand side are equal, so right hand side also equal. M is equal to mg minus r को ट्रांसफॉर्म करो. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट साइड से लेफ्ट हैंड प्लस mg माइनस mt. m को कॉमन लिया, mg माइनस hence यहाँ पे माइनस साइन हो गया. The actual weight of the person, of the reaction of the spring balance or the reaction of the weighing machine or tension in the string decreases. सुनाई दिया? Decreases. Now when the fifth one case, when the lift is falling freely. When the lift is falling freely. हट जाओ भाई, falling freely हो रहा. When the lift is freely fall. In that case, acceleration is equal to acceleration due to gravity. Fifth condition, when the lift is freely fall, acceleration is equal to acceleration due to gravity. Therefore, r is equal to m g minus a. We have this one formula. In place of a, we write g minus g is equal to 0 m g minus g. Therefore, r is equal to 0 when the weight of the in this situation, the weight of the person becomes 0. Such a state is known as weightlessness. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Weightlessness. Is it clear? Thank you and have a good day.